Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a Python file in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So assume that you already have Visual Studio downloaded and have the app open up. What you want to do is you want to click on New File and then choose Python file, and you can rename this Python file to whatever you want, but this is basically how you created a Python file just by going to new file, click Python file, or what you can do is you can type out the name, let's say my first file, and then click .py, and you can save it literally anywhere. Let's say I want to save it into, yeah, you can save it literally anywhere, and you want to click on create file, and this is your Python file. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.